What I have for you is another creative and latest neck design, so watch as you stay tuned. Here is almost 9 inches and the length here is 13 inches. I folded it into two, and the width, I'm going to measure 3 inches for the width, the length 6 inches. I'm going to mark it. Then here 3 inches, the width, and I'm going to cross it this way. Now I'm connecting this part here, this line here, with this line here to give me a straight line. Now I'm also connecting this edge to this edge. Now here I have 1.3 inches. Now here it's gonna be 0.8 inches, that is less than 1 inch. 0.8. I'm going to stop somewhere here. 0.8, 0.8. Now I'm going to connect the line. Now here I'm going to make it 1.2 inches. So you watch me as I do cut out the shape. This is the first shape. On this, I'm going to place this one like this. But before then, you discover that the length of this one is not up to 13, as in this case here, as in the first case. this is just 12 inches, and the width is 10.5. Hold it. I'm going to trace the line here. The up part shape. Now I'm going to take my tape rule. I'm measuring 1.5 inches for this second shape. One point five. I'm going to connect the line. I'm going to cut the shape out. Shape this out. I'm going to shake this out as well. So here I have my shape like this. Now from here to here, I'm going to cut out, trim out like 4 inches, 0.4 inches rather, 0.4, just like that. Okay. and I will place my shape like this. Now I'm using my pin to hold it down so that by the time I begin sewing, I'm going to start the outer sewing. What I'm going to do now is to trim it out. What I'm going to do is for me to turn it like this, pick one out of this. Before then, I will it has been sewn right. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to place another fabric. I'm going to place it this way. I will now sew this inner one, leaving this one outside. Sew the inner one like that, following the inner shape. Now I'm going to cut the outer part. Round. Now I'm going to fold it inside this way, and I will now sew. By the time I sew round, this is how it's going to be like. This is the inner part, the wrong side. This is the outer part. This is how it's going to be. So let's go. Shape which has been completed. Now we move to the second. Now, having sewn the outer part round, I'm going to trim it out. Okay. Trim it out. I'm going to place it into 2 equal parts this way. I notch. Now I'll turn it to the other part. Then I will now trim it out. I will just turn it, removing my pin, and I turn it, and I sew this outer part. Is to take another fabric. Okay. From, as you can see, the inner part, sewing it round like that. As you can see, part has been trimmed. What I'm going to do is to notch it. I'm going to turn it out like this, and I'm going to sew. I'm going to place it. I double it. 2. You can decide to make it the same color if you wish. Almost 3 point. This is just 3.1.5. It means I'll need to adjust it a bit. The width here must give me the same width here. Okay. This is 3.3 inches. I measure here 3.3 inches. Okay, down or place like that. You can see I've bring out the shape. I will now use I will seal this place, tracing this shape like that. Having sealed it on it, I'm going to place it inside. But before this time, I'm going to pick this. I will fold this way. As you can see, this one is just inserted into this place. Now I've cut it into bits. I have this one. I fold it into two equal parts like this, and I will pick one of these and I will also fold it. Now I'm going to place it, making sure that this is a bit longer than this. And I'm going to insert it here. Two equal parts this way. Okay, now we pick one of these. I also fold into two equal parts, just exactly the way I did that one. Now we make sure it's of the same or length of this video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, you can subscribe, you can share, and also like.